Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with an economics topic, fungible tokens and non-fungible tokens. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. So first of all, we discuss fungible tokens. Fungible tokens are digital assets where each unit is identical and interchangeable with another unit of the same type. For example, one unit is exactly equal value and functions as another unit. So key characteristics are: first, it is interchangeable with same values and properties. Second is it is divisible in smaller units. Third, it is used mainly as currency or utility. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollar, rupees 100 note can be exchanged with another rupees 100 stable coins like US dollar, USDC. So simple example we can take for understanding. If we lend a Bitcoin to someone, they don't need to return the same Bitcoin. Any one Bitcoin is fine. Now, non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Non-fungible tokens are digital assets that are unique and non-interchangeable. So, one NFT or non-fungible token is not equal to another non-fungible token. So, key characteristics of NFT or non-fungible tokens are: first, unique identity; second, not interchangeable; third, mostly they are indivisible; fourth, they represents ownership of a specific digital or real asset. For example, digital art, musical albums, game characters, virtual land, collectibles like digital trading cards. Simple example is if you own an non-fungible token of a digital painting, no other non-fungible token is exactly the same, even if it looks similar. So, fungible versus non-fungible tokens comparison are: non-fungible tokens basis, they are different. Nature, fungible tokens are identical, non-fungible unique. Fungible are interchangeable, but NFT, non-fungible tokens are not interchangeable. Fungible tokens are divisible, non-fungible are usually not divisible. Fungible token uses currency, payments. Non-fungible uses art, ownership, and collectibles. Example of fungible token is Bitcoin, Ether, and non-fungible token is digital art. So fungible is equal to same value, same exchange, but non-fungible is equal to unique value, no exchange. So I think it is clear. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you.